second half of the year has just started. Are you still planning, or are you ready to make your move and regain business momentum? In this video, I'll show you why overplanning kills your momentum, how one micro move can change everything, and a simple 3-step process to create unstoppable momentum and achieve your business goals. Reflection without action becomes paralysis. Gallup reports that only 33% of professionals stay engaged with their goals after the mid-year mark. You start the year with energy and ambition, but by July, the urgency fades, and you tell yourself, I'll get serious soon. It's normal to feel this way, especially after a demanding first half of the year. But here's the truth. Waiting doesn't build momentum. Action does. Imagine you're standing at a starting line of a race. Your shoes are tied, you're warmed up, the gun fires, and everyone else starts running while you're still thinking about your strategy. That's what overplanning looks like in your business. When you stay stuck in planning mode, another quarter slips by without progress. Your competitors move ahead while you watch, and your confidence shrinks with every week you hesitate. The Harvard Business Review found that companies that act decisively during transitions outperform their peers by 30%. Decisive action isn't a nice to have. It's the difference between progress and regret. So let's talk about how you can create momentum right now and regain your business momentum. Step 1, get crystal clear on what matters. Clarity accelerates everything. I recently worked with a client who spent months analyzing options to increase their client roster. When we got him out of planning mode and had him map out his top priorities, he landed 2 contracts in just 1 week. As Robin Sharma says, clarity precedes success. Need help mapping out your priorities? Well, you can download my free 10-minute clarity map. It takes less than 10 minutes to define exactly what matters most. It's free, it's fast, and it leads to big results. I'll drop the link in the description. Step 2, make a micro move today. Action is the antidote to overwhelm. As Walt Disney said, the way to get started is to quit talking and start doing. Don't overcomplicate it. Pick one small but high-impact action and do it before the end of the day. 70% of all plans fail due to poor execution, not poor strategy. That's according to McKinsey. Execution is what matters. That's why small actions matter more than perfect plans. Step 3, leverage support and accountability. Independence doesn't mean isolation. Even Olympic athletes have coaches, not because they're weak, but because they want to perform at their best. You deserve that same level of support. You want some free coaching support? Check out Coach Dave AI and ask it, what's one small, high-impact action I can take today to create momentum in my business? Again, I'll post a link in the description. When you take those 3 steps, get clear, take some immediate action, and leverage support, here's what happens. You feel focused and energized. You build momentum that compounds every single week, and you'll finish the year proud of what you created. The second half of the year has already started. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a decision and one small action to get going. You deserve to end this year knowing that you moved, acted, and achieved what matters most. Don't wait. Your next level starts with the next step you take today. Download your free 10-minute clarity map right now and get support with Coach Dave AI and watch the next video. Here's to playing a bigger game for the rest of the year.